Another day, another unboxing video. Something from DJI. This is the new DJI Neo Fly-More combo. You see? Let's get it, shall we? Quickly, let's unbox this and see what's inside. Alright, what do we have here? These are the batteries. This is the Fly-More combo. So I got the charging cable for iPhones, the USB-C cable, and let's see. Oh yeah, of course, there's the little all-important screwdriver, right? Besides the screwdriver, what else do we get? 2 batteries and the charging case. I have to test this out. I'm given to understand that this charges really fast and it's capable of charging all 3 batteries at once, as long as you have a power source which is good enough and can take the load. Right, what else do we have? RC controller. Nice. There you see the little controllers docked here. Yeah. There you go. The RCN3 controller. Let's put that aside a little bit. And star of the show, the DJI Neo. Oh my god, this is tiny and weighs nothing, guys. It weighs nothing. And for reference, it's, let me see if I can give you a size reference for this. Earbuds, the OnePlus earbuds, you can see for reference next to a standard book. See, it's pretty much the same size as a book. Closer look at the DJI Neo. I have to charge this up probably, then power it on. This is my first drone. I've never owned a drone before, so let's see. Let's put this on. Does it have any charge? Huh. Seems like it doesn't. Yep, there is no charge. I'll have to charge this up and then show it to you guys. Not the other batteries in the box, but we'll try those, shall we? Maybe these work. Nope, it's all dead. Let me charge this up and then record another video. But this is what you get in the box. The DJI Neo Fly-More combo.